Guys, precious millionaire logistics. We just rounded up with the Euro USD analysis, and right here we have the AUDUSD analysis, guys. The Euro USD analysis was kind of long, right? Because we were explaining a whole lot of concepts. So we're going to apply those same concepts on this same principle, same approach. So we don't waste much of your time, guys. Let's head down to the chart. All right. For Euro USD, guys, very simple, very straightforward. This is Euro USD, the weekly chart. So for Euro USD, let me just take a minute to look at the most recent price movement and action. So at this point here, the price has pretty been on the upside, right? Oh, I think there's something of interest somewhere. Okay. At this point here, from here, you can see that the price has been on the upside, testing our moving average, moving upwards, right? And from here, it broke through, it came down a bit, right? The price came down a bit. It went up here, came down a bit. It went up here, right? It retest was supposed to come down, but something happened, guys. And what happened here was like a fake out, right? A fake out. But then in my previous analysis there's an analysis on AUDUSD that I made. I think this was the least. I made just about 78 pips from here. 78 pips, I think, around that amount, 78 pips of this before the price actually came down, right? Okay, but then right here what we have seen is that most recently the price has been in a downtrend. Now this is one problem most traders have. You can easily tell most traders, a whole lot of traders, 95% of traders, let me say 70%, 60% of traders can actually tell the direction of the market. You can actually look at the chart, and after all the stuff, trend lines and all that, we can mostly tell the direction of the pair. You can say that this pair is in a downtrend and all, but there's one thing that lacks. There's one technical knowledge that lacks. When will the price tend to change direction? That's where a whole lot of the problems come in. So let's see what we can do about that here. Okay, I've seen a critical level. There's a critical level here in the price. So let's see how we work with that. So as always, let me go to the other thing. I don't know. Hope he's here. Oh, he's not here. I'm still making that blunder. The box. Okay, the rectangle. So this right here is a significant level. Oh, I don't want to get it wrong. Can I move it? Okay. I think I'll have to delete it. Let me get a better area. Okay. Right here. This level is a significant level, yeah? Okay. This area here is a significant area, right? So okay, this area here, hope you can see it, guys. Okay, this area here is a significant area, right? I just need you to, okay. So this area is a significant area, guys. And remember, this is on the weekly chart. So this is what I'm expecting from this chart, guys. Now we have kind of established an area, right? So we want to do the same thing we did on the Euro USD, the range. So there is a supply level, there's a supply zone somewhere, but the previous analysis I've spotted that I don't really want to do that now because we may not get to that zone. Okay, so this is what I want to do here, to put the same thing we did on Euro USD, right? A horizontal line. Sorry guys, I'm just going to use one line this time around, so let's not bombard the whole chart with lines everywhere. I don't really like that idea. So I'm just going to use one horizontal line. Okay. So right here, this is what I'm expecting from the AUDUSD, still from the same information. I'm expecting the price to react around here. I'm expecting the price to pretty well react in this zone. I'm expecting the price to react in this zone. And when it does so, I'm expecting it to come all the way to this point, right? I can't find the line. Oh, let me add it again one more time, please, guys. Forgive me. I need to be seeing this horizontal line here. Great. I need to be seeing this horizontal line here. Okay, so I'm expecting AUDUSD to be bullish. Expecting, guys, is a very serious terminology. You shouldn't misplace it. Now, the moment you enter a trade, you don't enter the trade on expectation. Like, you don't enter a trade when you're in the trade. You're now saying you're expecting the price to react. In fact, that's the first sign that you're about heading a rock. You're about hitting a loss. So you can expect a price to actually align with your analysis, for confirmation reasons, to align with your analysis, fine, right? And then when that happens, you take the trade based on the outcome of your expectations. That keeps you more informed. So right here, I am expecting some kind of move to the upside, analysis wise. So let's delve down to the daily time frame. Let me show you something, or let's see something. Okay, fine. Now this is what we have on the daily time frame. Nothing is happening yet. Let me extend this. Okay, nothing is happening yet. So at this point here, you can see that on the daily time frame, guys, there's no price action pattern whatsoever that's indicating a bullish pressure. What we've only established here is the price is at the critical level, right? But this is what I'm expecting, guys. From Monday, I want to see the price react in this zone, right? I want to see some kind of price action pattern, maybe Monday and Tuesday. So I want to see some kind of a pin bar on a daily time frame, right? On Monday, I want to see the price maybe form a pin bar, right? Or maybe a very big bullish candle to actually make this a bullish engulfing pattern, or a morning star, like maybe the Monday and Tuesday trade morning star pattern whatsoever. Then I can then go upwards. Remember, guys, I'm not saying all these patterns on the 4-hour chart though. It's not like on Monday you start looking at your 15 minutes or 30 minutes or so, and then you're looking for bullish reasons to go bullish. No, on the daily time frame, guys, I'm looking for those price action patterns to confirm my entry, so then I can then plan and enter this trade bullish, right? So on the AUDUSD, you still have the same bias. Let me go straight to the point. You still have the same bias for the price to actually go bullish. Right? So if I'm to use this area as reference, what I'll have is this. I like using this stuff. Forgive me. I like using this stuff. I don't know why, but I like using it. Right? So if I'm to enter somewhere here, I think, okay, fine, you have something like this. Right? You have something like this. And where would my stop loss be? Okay, this is the entry and my stop loss. Let me see what we have here. Okay. We have something like this, guys. Right? Okay, so now this is tentative, guys. Remember, like I said, I'm going to do another analysis if need be, right? If this doesn't suffice, but I'm still going to revise this maybe later. Just watch the video all over again from YouTube and see maybe if there's need to touch on one or two areas. That's when the market has started moving. But right now, I want to see some kind of price action patterns on the daily time frame, giving me an insight to actually go bullish, like technical information to go bullish, right, for the AUDUSD, guys. So for now, guys, our sentimental bias for the AUDUSD is pretty much bullish, and AUDUSD from this level we have here holds about 300 pips thereabout. But now 300 pips, guys, but by the time we see those movements, we may have missed some moves, right, for confirmation, right? So before entry, so it may not be up to 300 pips, it may be 250, 275, which is very much okay. So our sentimental bias for the AUDUSD for now is bullish, guys. There's no need to go to the 4-hour chart. There's actually nothing that's taking us there, but I personally, weekly directional bias, daily price action patterns, all that, 4 hours, common sense. Guys, with that, let's go to the next chart in the next content.